Hiya, Hodge. What are you doing here?
Waiting.
Waiting for what?
To go home.
You'll be needing this.
Thanks.
I'm sorry, but it was open, and I read a bit of it.
That's okay.
It's hard being new. I was 2 once, and I made lots of mistakes.
Yes, but they like you now. Your friends will never like me.
Maybe they will if you show them, you know, what you were like.
You read my poem?
Yes, I did. And I've got a bunch of boom idea how you can all make friends. Follow me, Hodge. If Hodge wants to be friends with my buddies, he needs a second chance. And my Botcha Boom idea will soon get everyone working and playing together. Let's get budging!
Oh, we are in a pickle.
Boo! Hey, everyone! I just had a Botcha Boom idea how we can all work together. We're putting on a show!
I love a show.
But to do it, we all have to be friends. Hodge!
Boo. Sorry if I upset you. I didn't mean to. I just wanted you to like me. But I'm not like Bodge. I'm just like Hodge.
I'm sorry too, Hodge. What I said to you wasn't nice. I was angry. I didn't give you a chance.
Me neither. You can hold Daddy if you like.
Come and sit next to me.
And me.
A little kindness goes a long, long way.
So what are we doing in our show?
A song about all of us together. It's all in here, isn't it, Hodge?
We did it, Hodge.
And we did it all together.
Bravo, little adventurers.
It's showtime!
Hooray!
Hi, Hodge! Having fun?
Yes,
I never.
Bodge got me to invite everyone. A show does need an audience, Mr. Clopperty.
That it does, Miss Clippity.
Hello. Welcome, everyone. It gives me great pleasure to introduce to you the Giggly Acres Adventure Camp Show.
What am I like? I don't have to be the best.
What am I like? I can enjoy some mess.
Don't always leave my fancy dress.
I sometimes might not wear my vest.
It takes friends to know just what am I like.
Smooth as ever.
What am I like? I got it all wrong again. What am I like? I was getting along and then I feel so far away from home.
Oh, and now we'll never be alone. Oh. We've made friends who know just what are we like.
The fun will never end.
Oh, I wish I could find some music stations on this old radio.
I don't know, Pops. You're making an interesting sound all of your own.
Yeah.
Boo!
Hi, Bodge.
I'm practicing for the talent show we're having today. Ooh, what's that hissy fizzy noise?
Oh, that might be just a hissy fizzy noise to you, Bodge. But me and Pops can make that musical too.
You said it, Mimi. Can we enter the talent show?
Sorry, Pops. Kids only.
Good luck! 1 plus 1 is 2. What? 2 plus 1 is 3.
I hope I remembered everything.
Oh, no, that's...
Hi, everyone.
Hi, Bodge.
This is going to be great. So how does a talent show work?
We're going to take turns doing our own special talent on the bandstand. And look, Gavin's made these little voting paddles which you hold up. If you think the act's any good...
So, who's going first then?
I have to go last because my act is a real showstopper. Oh, what is it? You'll just have to wait and see. Well, I don't mind going first. Great! The rest of us sit behind the table to watch and judge it at the end.
Let's get on with the show.
First, I give you Rupert Niblet.
Yay!
I shall now perform my rhythmic, gymnastic, acrobatic mathematics.
Wow, I'm giving her a gold star just for saying that.
1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Brilliant!
Oh,
Well done!
that was twirly, swirly brilliant, Rupert.
Amazing!
Yay! Woo! Very good for starters, but just wait till you see my act. Okay, our next act is Dental Woof. Oh, where's he gone?
Ta-da! It's the Great Dentalini Magic Show!
Oh, I love magic.
1 perfectly straight magic wand. Ooh. 1 bendy magic wand. Straight, bendy.
Woohoo!
And for my final trick, achoo! Oh dear, I think I'm getting a cold. I need a handkerchief to blow my nose.
Wow! Yay! Brilliant! If you like Denzel's act, you're going to love mine. Mr. Clopperty should be bringing it about now.
I'm digging it, Pops. I'm digging it.
I'm digging it too, Pops and Mimi.
It will soon be my incredible act. But while you're waiting, here's Mia Twitch.
Right.
Are you ready for some jokes, Giggly Park?
Yes.
What did the big tree say to the little tree?
We don't know.
Nothing. Trees can't speak, you sillies. Oh, she's a cheeky one. What did one little twitchlet say to the other little twitchlet?
We don't know.
Nothing. The twitchlets can't speak either. Oh, she's a cheeky one. Hey, you've been great. I've been Mia Twitch. Good night.
Oh, she's a cheeky one.
The fun will never end.
I think you and your costumes have given me a bunch of boom idea. I'll be right back. Mia's scared of going crash-bosh off her bike, but my botcha boom idea will soon have her riding on 2 wheels without any worries. Let's get bodging! Boo!
Oh, Bodge, what do you like?
Hello, Mrs. Twitch. Can I borrow Mia's dressing up box, please?
Oh, yes, of course you can, Bodge.
Thank you, Mrs. Twitch.
Can't ride a big, big bike with baby fairy princess wings.
Yes, he can. And not just fairy wings. A cowboy outfit. It's perfect for getting in the saddle.
Ooh!
And put on this ballerina tutu. It's just right for balance. And you need balance to ride a bike.
Ooh!
And, why not put on this bumblebee onesie? It's great for buzzing about, and I've never seen a bumblebee falling off a bike.
Whoa! I love it. I can practice like this. Even if I fall over now, it won't hurt with all this padding.
Yay! Let's give it a try. You're doing really, really well.
I can do it, Podge. I can do it. Whoa!
Uh-oh.
I can't get up. It didn't hurt a bit.
Let's try the obstacle course.
Okay. Let's do it.
Come on.
Podge, wait.
Huh?
Ugh, all this stuff. It's too hot.
Ooh. Are you going to give it another go, Mia?
Yes. Can't catch me.
Wow, Mia, you're super speedy, really. You're too fast.
Hey, where did you get to?
We were just taking Mia's training wheels off. She doesn't need them anymore.
Well, let's all go on another big bike ride together then. No.
Oh, Mia, are you still a bit worried?
No, I just want to go on a big bike ride.
Yay! Huh? Mia, where are you going? What are you doing now?
Who says a fairy princess can't go on a big bike ride? Keep up, Bodge.
And who says a bumblebee bee can't too?
We've got the wheels.
We've got the wheels.
We've got the weather.
We've got the weather.
Everybody's got together.
Let's all have a bike ride in the park.
I've learnt to ride.
She's learned to ride. 3 cheers for Mia.
3 cheers for me, yeah.
Thanks to Bocce's got no fear.
Let's all have a bike ride in the park. Let's have a bike ride, a big bike ride. Let's have a bike ride in the park. Let's have a bike ride, a big bike ride with Bodge and all my buddies.
The fun will never end.
I know, Pops. Let's sing a happy song. That always cheers you up. Take it away, Pops.
I'm feeling sort of flat.
We really need to find your hat.
Well, I think it's silly using your dad's hat as a nest.
Ooh. Huh?
Sorry.
Don't be, Denzel. All these happy flappy birds are popper nests, not Pops's hat.
Where are you going, Bodge?
To get twigs and leaves. We're going to build a flopper nest, fit for a giggly warbler. Come on! Mr. Clopperty.
Oh, hello. Oh, what's that?
We made this for the giggly warbler.
It's a proper nest.
So the giggly warbler can use this instead of Pops's hat.
Well, it's certainly cosy with all these leaves. Quality craftsmanship.
Come on, Birdie. We've made you a new home.
It isn't working.
Oh, wait a minute. Something's happening. Well, look at that. It's just laid an egg. Pops's hat is now a proper nest. I'm afraid we can't move it now. Quite wonderful.
So how long will it be before Pops can have his hat back, Mr. Clopperty?
Oh, it'll just be a few weeks before the egg hatches.
Weeks? But Pops needs his hat now.
Doesn't Pops have another hat?
I've just had a botcha boom idea. Oopsie. The Giggly Warbler doesn't want my nest, but I know someone who might. Let's get budging! Boo! I found your hat, Pops.
You found it?
Yes, but you can't have it. A really rare bird has laid an egg in it. It won't hatch for weeks.
Well, it sounds like that bird needs my hat more than I do. I'd better let it be.
But you can wear this until you get your old one back.
Well, I'm not sure.
Nice hat, Pops. It really suits you.
It does? Oh, lovely leafy lining too. Nice and warm. Thank you.
Thank you, Pops. Your hat has made a nest.
Thank you, Bodge, for getting my head dressed.
And thank you, Giggly Warbler. Your singing is the best.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. The fun will never end.
Boo! I'm Bodge, and I'm really excited because Pops is going to play with me all day today.
Too right, Bodge. And what better way for a father and son to spend the day than with a spot of ukulele playing and a sing-song? What a better way to spend the day with a little ukulele playing.
Well, actually, Pops, I thought maybe we could play with this.
Ah, right. You fancy a bit of running around, do you, Bodge?
Oh, yeah.
OK, son, don't go too far.
With you, silly.
Oh, OK.
Hooray! Catch, Pops.
Oops. Hey, what? Where? Oh, yeah, gotcha.
Good catch.
OK, Sport, you asked for it. Go long, Bodgy boy. Oh.
Whee! I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Oh!
Whoa! What a catch!
Try and tackle me, Pops. Catch me if you can.
I'm catching. I'm catching you. Oh, oh, oh. I'm catching you.
Come on, Pops. Chase me.
I'm gonna get you.
Hi, Rupa.
Hi, Bodge. Your daddy is seriously unfit.
No, I just tripped up.
My daddy is really fit. I think your daddy could be super fit too.
I am super.
I can work with this. He just needs to get into training.
That's a great idea. And we can be Pops' trainers.
Woohoo!
Ow! Crikey! What happened to you, Gavin?
It looks like you had a whoopsie-doo.
I've hurt my leg and I've got to wear this till it gets better. But it's fun because I get to ride around in the Speedy Wheelie 750. It's top of the range.
Wow!
Ah.
Ooh. That's really, really speedy.
And now I'm going to take it for a proper test drive. Just watch me go.
Where do you think you're going?
I thought I heard Mimi calling me.
I didn't hear her.
Not me. OK, Pops. Let's get physical. Daddy and I always start with a little loosening up. Really loosen those arms and legs, boys.
I'm loosening mine, Pops. Are you loosening yours?
I'm loosening something.
And rest.
Well, that wasn't so hard. Thanks, Rooper. Yep, we'll do this again next week.
Where are you going? That was just the warm-up.
You mean there's more?
Bodge, hey buddy, are you looking for a friend? Bodge, together, the fun will never end. He popped up in Giggly Park with Mimi and his pops. Bodge has lots of buddies now, the laughter never stops. Rupert, Denzel, Gavin, Mia.